Okay guys, so somehow something got set on the table saw. Not too happy about it, but it's not a huge big deal. So first thing I'm going to do, just sweep it out, get all the sawdust away from it. This isn't the first rust mark on the table saw by a long shot. So it's pretty rough. Stuff wouldn't slide over there very well at all. It's a little 3-in-1 oil. It's going to soak down the spots that have some rust on them and other crud on the table. Abrasive pad, and just start working it. Usually doesn't take too long. I have to admit this is the worst one. I don't know what was set here. I think it might have been a bottle of Windex from the shape. Bottle of glass cleaner, I'm not exactly sure. Any lubricating oil will work. Get all the oil off. Now it's a little strange, since I just took the rust off, and it was caused by a window cleaner, but I'm going to hit it with some window cleaner. Because you don't want all that oil on your wood. And the foaming glass cleaner works really good to take all that oil off. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a coat of bow shield as soon as I find the bow shield. And table saw will be good as new. Alright, she's good as new. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.